Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Corte Madera, local and long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we're here to make your transition smooth sailing. With our professional and hassle-free moving services, you can focus on exploring all the wonders Corte Madera has to offer. So let's embark on this exciting journey together. When it comes to local moves in Corte Madera, our Corte Madera California movers are your go-to team. Imagine a crew of highly skilled and enthusiastic professionals arriving at your doorstep, ready to tackle every aspect of your move. We've got everything covered, from meticulously packing your belongings to efficiently loading and unloading them at your new home. What sets us apart is our deep familiarity with the streets of Corte Madera. While local movers in Corte Madera are a breeze for us, long-distance moves require different expertise and attention to detail. We meticulously plan every aspect, from coordinating logistics to securing proper permits and licenses. Our dedicated Corte Madera long-distance 3 Movers will carefully pack and protect your belongings, ensuring they arrive at your new destination safe and sound. We understand the importance of keeping your items secure during the journey, and that's our top priority. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Corte Madera moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.